Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. Today I won't be cooking anything. I'll just be making a nice refreshing juice because the weather is so hot, and this juice I can guarantee you is very refreshing. So I'll just be using a few basic ingredients, not much ingredients. As you can see, it's pineapple and carrot juice. I'm going to add ginger and lemon for flavor and sweeten it with a bit of granulated sugar. I'm not a fan of white sugar, granulated sugar, because I use brown sugar for everything else. But I notice when I'm making juice, because sometimes I make Kool-Aid and thing, it just changed the color of the juice, and I don't like the brown sugar in the juice. So we'll be using granulated sugar today. We're gonna get right into the video. Gonna be a very quick and easy video today. Keep watching. So the first step is to peel and wash your ingredients, mainly the carrot and the ginger. I'm not washing the pineapple. I've peeled it. I'm not gonna get rid of those things because I'll be blending it. So okay, so now I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces, put them in the blender with some water, and voila, that's it. So here we have it. I have 1 small pineapple, 7 carrots, and I can't tell you the exact amount of ginger, but I'll put it in the description box. So just cut them up fairly small, not too big and not too small, and you're gonna put them in the blender and add water to it and blend for about 3 minutes. This is the jug that I want to fill. It's not a very big jug. I think this is about 1 liter and a bit. And I don't want to put too much water because I don't want it to taste too diluted or too weak. I like it to be rich in flavor. So let's start. So I separate the portion. See the amount I'm putting in the blender, and I'm just gonna add like 400 milliliters of water to that amount because, as I said, I don't want it to be too watery. So I finished blending, and now I'm going to strain it. I have this big strainer and another small one, but it's not too fine. I need a finer strainer and I don't have one. So first I strain it through the big one, then I'm gonna strain it a second time, and the third time I'm going to be using this to strain it. Now, don't judge me. As you can see, it's brand new. I'm gonna rinse it under the pipe, and then for the third time I'll be pouring the juice through the stocking cap or wick cap or whatever you want to call it. But basically I do that because it gives it a smooth finish. There's no bits, there's no nothing, and it takes out all the trash. And yeah, that's what I do, and I like it. You can do that, or if you have an extremely fine strainer for the third straining, go ahead and use that. But if you don't have not fine strainer, improvise like I'm doing. So this is what it looks like when I've squeezed the juice out of it, and that's the amount of juice I got. Well, you see, you have to use your hand to squeeze out the juice, so make sure you wash your hand. Your juice, your hand, and you're gonna drink it. So no, just do what you need to do to get the results. So now for blending the second batch, I put a bit more water, as you can see. So I'm gonna blend, strain, and then I'll strain for the second time into that container when I'm finished. So as you can see, even after straining a second time, there's still lots of bits in the strainer, and we don't want any bits in our juice. We want the juice to be nice, smooth and refreshing. So that's why I'll be straining it a third time, sorry, using the wig cap. See, whole heap of bits this. We don't want none of that. So we soon done now. Time for the final straining. So you will notice it's very frothy. That's all down to the pineapple. That's just the nature of the pineapple. And as I said, I rinse the brand new stocking cap, put it over your strainer, and then you will pour it in. Take your time so we can get a nice, fine, smooth finish. And big up to my cousin for giving me the idea last time when we made that drink here. And she said, why you don't try this? They say 2 heads better than 1, you get me? Done deal. And now I'm going to put my lime and sugar, and then I'll pour a glass out for you guys so you can see what it looks like, and then fill up my glass jug and put it to chill. This drink tastes nice when it's really cold, so it's really refreshing. And I'm going to use 2 lime. I normally use 1 lime, 1 lemon, but I don't have any lemon. And if you know, you know. If you don't know, you just need to give your lime a little rub up to get all the juices. Yep, I'll show you in a minute. Camera focus. Yeah, as you can see, all them bits in the strainer and the stocking cap. So all of that you'll be drinking. One whole heap of trash that's going to be going in the bin because we don't want it in our belly. So I squeeze the lime and put the sugar on, mix it in now, and I'll put it on the fridge to get chilled, and then I'll pour it in a glass. Let you guys see. And this is the final product. Yeah, it looks so nice. I'm gonna taste it in a minute. And one thing you should be aware of, people, is that because of the acidity of the lime, it's causing the ingredients to separate. So you're gonna find that if I leave this for an hour and come back, it will be settled. The carrot will go there bottom and blah 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 blah. It's gonna separate. So all you have to do when you're ready to drink it is just give it a good little stir, and it will get back to normal. There's nothing wrong with it. When you see it like that, it's not spoiled. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the nature of this drink. So don't be alarmed. And try it out. Enjoy it. Trust me. When the time well hot, you don't need nothing else than this. It's nice. It's refreshing. And number one, it's natural drink. It's natural fruit drink. So go ahead and make yourself some carrot and pineapple juice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back to my channel, like, comment and subscribe. Bye y'all. so tasty. I wish I could give you guys some, honestly. Best drink. Well, it's one of my favorite drinks. Yum. All gone.